Hi everyone, my name is Jan Carabino Rosico and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Magindanaon. Magindanaon is an Austronesian language spoken by the Maguindanao people in the Philippines. Historically, it served as the language of the influential Sultanate of Maguindanao. Magindanaon has three main dialects, Tausa-Ilud, Tausalaya, and Biwangan. Magindanaon is an Austronesian language and is spoken by the Maguindanaoan people. For centuries, it served as the lingua franca of the powerful Sultanate of Maguindanao, a significant political entity in the southern Philippines. History. Maguindanaoan language is the primary language spoken by the Maguindanaoan people. It is used by the influential Sultanate of Maguindanao. Early documentation of Maguindanaoan stems from 19th century Spanish colonial efforts, notably the work of Jacinto I Martí. Following the Spanish-American War, the United States also contributed to the study and documentation of Maguindanao. Our understanding of Maguindanao's structure and vocabulary is largely thanks to early documentation efforts. During the 19th century, Spanish colonial authorities, notably Jacinto I Martí, began to study and record the language. This work continued after the Spanish-American War, with the United States taking up the mantle of linguistic research. Did you know that Maguindanaoan language has a total of 2,019,099 native speakers? It is widely spoken in the region Maguindanao del Norte, Maguindanao del Sur, Sultan Kudarat, North Cotabato, South Cotabato, Sarangani, Zamboanga del Sur, Zamboanga Sibugay, Davao del Sur, Davao del Norte, and Davao Occidental and Bukidnon. Is it still existing? Yes, the language still exists. Thank you for listening and bye.